Hello everyone. This is a Cooking in Quarantine Destruction Edition update. I found out shortly after after cooking yesterday that things had kind of gone tits up in my building. And so I feel like I need to share with you the state of things here at my house so that you can understand where I will be today at noon. If you see, that's my kitchen sink that the nice young man is working on over there. And this is the hallway of my building. If you can see here, there are my champagne buckets and my lower kitchen cabinets, again, out here in the hallway of my building. We're gonna walk through and I'm gonna hope that I get the angle right. This is how you walk in my house. And as you see, there's brown paper on the floors and plastic everywhere. The contents of my lower kitchen cabinets are now in my wine room. And there's plastic everywhere. If you'll note by my big yellow chair, I'm having cremant for breakfast because, I mean really, look at my house. So I would like to show you what my kitchen looks like, but the fellas have just sealed themselves off, and that's all she wrote. So guys, I'm gonna ask all my Cooking in Quarantine friends to hopefully raise a glass in solidarity, to say a little prayer to God's real and unreal that they get this fixed. Evidently, there's a pipe leak that runs down my side of the mesh that goes all the way and is coming out in the kitchen in the pizzeria on the corner. So that's my story, guys. As you see, here, we'll do a little twirl. Oh, look at that. They've been very, very conscientious, though. The guys have taped everything up with plastic, except my big yellow chair, my bottle of cremant, and my laptop. So I have access to my door, my loo, and my chair. So that said, the chances of there being a Cooking in Quarantine are zip zero nada. So we're going to call this Cooking in Quarantine is on pause. But unlike New York, which is on pause until September 6th, Cooking in Quarantine hopefully is only on pause until tomorrow. So guys, I just thought you should have the update. I literally, in the 26 years I've lived here, I can count on one hand the number of times that this kind of thing has happened where they've had to take out my kitchen or take out my bathroom. And of course, this is now between the water, the hole in the trap, this size hole in the trap, and this complete, I've been closed off from my own kitchen. So yes, oh Kelly, why did they wrap the whole room? Because in about 2 seconds, they're going to take a jackhammer out and open up the wall to replace the main water pipe coming down the G line. For those of you who don't know much about building practices in these kinds of century-old buildings, my walls here are made out of a mix of rubble and concrete. And I see that Thomas is on here, and he's an architect. He'll be able to speak a little more clearly to that. And I apologize. I realize I just washed my face in some shiny from new face cream. So anyway, that's my story. Luckily, my neighbor Tom and I have been domiciling in place basically together. Here it goes. So if I go, tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow.